In this video, we will talk about double zigzag pattern of inlet wave theory. The AVC wave, larger degree W, counter trend correction X, again wave Y subdivided into AVC. So same to same like this. Only problem is book have bearish example and we will talk about bullish example. But everything almost same to same. Double zigzag WXY wave pattern. And all the rule of inlet wave theory, this great blue book, if you cannot access physical copy, then at least you read digital version which is free for everyone. Entire book is free in digital format. Now let's see everything. Entire WXY wave counting from subwave AVC top to bottom, lower degree to higher degree. So first of all, this is bottom. We start here. 135 impulsive wave, your leading diagonal chart pattern, which we call wave A. Then a small degree AVC zigzag correction, wave V. Price goes up again. That was impulsive wave C. Same like book, impulsive wave aggressive in price action. So you can see wave C price action was almost vertical. So after AVC wave complete, we rename to higher degree wave W. After that, we wait for correction. And corrective wave goes back to 61% tracement top to bottom of wave W. You can see big rejection inside fifth zone from 50 to 61. So this one cycle wave W correction X with 61% retracement complete and we rename wave X. After that we target for wave Y. But same like this, wave W was subdivided into AVC. We will target same thing, wave Y subdivided into AVC. Same like book, AVC in wave W, AVC in wave Y. But before we start wave counting, we get advanced expected level for wave Y before we even start counting AVC subwave. So based on W and X projection target for wave Y 100%, after that 38% projection. When price goes near 100% projection, you can see there was big dump. But after correction, price goes up again, make new high. And now price goes there almost 38% projection. Since this is intraday H4 time frame, so if price make $5 difference to projection target, then it is not a big thing because it is intraday. So when price almost hits 38% projection near 27, 28 level, we get possible AVC corrective wave. So entire wave pattern top to bottom complete. WXY. Wave W subdivided into AVC, counter trend correction X, then wave Y again subdivided into AVC. Wave A with leading diagonal pattern, wave C which become larger degree wave W, correction X 61% retracement, wave Y subdivided into subwave AVC, and price going almost there 38% projection. So wave pattern AVC WXY wave complete, projection target almost complete. One more thing, a chart pattern. When you connect high of AC and WY wave and this low, then we get this possible parallel channel. And clearly you can see upper trend line tested total 4 times. On 4th retest, there was a small downside correction. There was clear rejection. If price goes down more, then retest of lower trend line, that will be next target. But we have one thing extra compared to book. Book is only giving AVC double zigzag pattern, but we have one more extra thing, a parallel channel. So same like book, that WXY wave, one cycle of AVC corrective wave, larger degree WXY wave complete. Free projection target was 2728 and upper trend line retest and a big resistance level near 2720 level. So overall about 2720 we have 3 level of resistance zone. Now question is, after entire cycle complete near 2720 the AVC, question is what next? If you see, we did 5 impulsive wave, then convert into larger degree wave A. Then again we did AVC wave and convert into wave W. Similar thing we will do again. This entire WXY wave pattern we will convert into larger degree, let's say wave A. This entire wave top to bottom we count as one wave and call it wave A. Now steps are simple after that. Either there is a trend reversal or after some correction breakout, but in both case price either goes down from 2720 level or big sideways correction, triangle or flat, then it goes up. But in both case there is small downside from 720 level, and which we already saw before Friday closing. So first step, let's say price start going down from here. We will draft your retracement top to bottom, all those level 61% retracement, 50% retracement and 38% retracement. Those will be first target, our invisible support level when price start going down. And this trend line retest of parallel channel. This is chart pattern. And third, if there is a sideways range, then correction pattern can be triangle AVC, flat AVC, or you can say zigzag AVC, because with the help of inlet wave pattern in advance we can know when correction is ending. That is inlet wave pattern, plus we have few retracement level, plus we have lower trend line retest of parallel channel. So we have 3 level to know in advance that when correction will end and when correction will turn into trend reversal. Because when price start going down below 50% retracement, then we must know that it is not correction, it is trend reversal. And by the time price goes below 50%, it will become clear that this is not triangle pattern, this is not AVC flat, this is sharp zigzag correction or first impulsive wave W in next downtrend. But at least we have 3 level, lower trend line retest of parallel channel through retracement and 3 basic chart pattern from inlet wave theory. Now for beginner, number 1 question will be how you will know in advance that wave counting will start from here and it will end near 2720. First of all, you must remember those wave counting pattern crystal clear. They must be always in your head. AVC become W, counter trend correction X, again wave Y subdivided into AVC. Book giving you double zigzag pattern in a downtrend, and I gave you example in bullish trend in gold H4 time frame. When price goes down vertically, when it was going up making leading diagonal chart pattern, after retracement when price did not break down, it did not make new lower low, then immediately possibility increase that next level wave counting is coming from here. This is our zero level. As long as price trade above this level, we plan for future wave counting on each level. We goes from 135 to AVC to WXY wave pattern. 3 level wave counting. So after getting zero, when price does not break down, possibility immediately increase. First, after correction, we target for wave C. Step are simple: targeting 138% projection, invisible resistance, plus last wave full retracement level, that was 50, and price did not test exactly 50% retracement of last wave. A small fake breakout, but there was big dump. So before wave C and wave W and we get correction to wave X, we knew in advance that if downside correction is coming, then high chance it will come from 50% retracement of this last wave. When wave W complete, we wait for fifth retracement zone. If price goes below 50%, possibility increase that it is downtrend. If price stay above 50% with rejection, possibility increase that after X, wave Y, upside wave are coming. Because you saw there was big pin bar in fifth retracement zone and multiple H4 candlestick. There was 4 candlestick that was showing rejection on this area. And when price break out the high of wave C and W, immediately it become confirmed that we are in wave Y. After a small retracement, not making low, it was making higher low. Price goes up again. Immediately it become confirmed that we are in AVC wave of larger degree, wave Y. Now same step. How you will know that wave C and Y will end here? First of all, position target for wave WX, Y. Once 100% projection breakout, by default we shift to 38% projection target, 27, 28. Same thing we do on small degree wave A and C. So we are getting projection level on 2 level, lower degree and higher degree. Second, when we are targeting for wave C and wave Y, we will look if there is a resistance or not. Because if you see this entire price action, then you can see there was clear static horizontal resistance level. Whether it makes sideways correction before breakout or total trend reversal, in both case, high chance price do something rejection from 2720 level. You can see how many time price tested this area as support and resistance, and previously there was 2 big failure from this resistance level, and this 7 time price testing this area. Either it may counter trend correction, then breakout, or trend reversal from this area, but high chance market must react to this static horizontal resistance level. So when price was going up after wave V correction, when it break out in wave C, we get wave W. When wave X correction end, when market start making wave Y, we knew in advance how high price go, but there is a big static resistance level 2720. Without using fib extension and AVC and wave Y in advance, we know if price goes up, this resistance level will be first target. For upside wave, larger degree for higher high, first make sure your fib projection are clear. Second, if you get resistance, then this thing is very helpful. When both things combine, fib projection and resistance, that becomes strong level when you can expect larger degree wave Y and C can end. And one thing extra, you can see book does not talk about parallel channel, but here on this gold chart you have a parallel channel. So you have one thing extra, fib projection, resistance and a parallel channel upper trend line retest. So if you see AVC wave high, WXY wave high, fib projection, resistance and a parallel channel. So you have total 5 level of confirmation for possible top or invisible resistance that big action can happen from this level 2720. From here steps are clear. Either price make counter trend correction, the fib retracement like 50, then goes up, or total trend reversal, then price goes down. But you have to make sure price stay above 50% retracement or what type of wave counting it is making, AVC, zigzag, flat or triangle. But again you have multiple steps to confirm that we are in correction for this entire wave top to bottom or total trend reversal from this high.